Okay, interesting things to note. I don't know if you can see well there, but the atom manufacturing appears to be watertight, with the exception of bubbles trapped underneath. I don't see any surface bubbling. There's some shiny bits, but I have disregarded those as simply the crystalline stainless steel structure coming through. Surface imperfections there. Appears to be like micro bubbles. Very small micro bubbles clinging to the surface area, perhaps because it's rough. Doesn't appear to be bubbling up or allowing any oxygen in. Some particulates in the water simply from the components put in. You can see that a surface which is porous, which allows oxygen in, looks more like that. Various bubbling on the surface, escaping bubbles, soaked appearance, whereas the steel, not so much. Even the other stainless steel component I tested had dozens, if not millions, of micro bubbles. This one's okay. Real test would be pressure testing it.